welcome back to Lights, Camera, Cookies. It has been a minute since we have been back with you making super awesome cookies and having lots of fun together. So where have we been? Well, it was the holiday season. We were super busy making cookies. We had to get all those orders done. And then we also had to do this, right? Oh my gosh, y'all hear that?
Yeah!
Look at what we worked on. It's our
new studio! The studio is like super clean for a change!
We don't have that backdrop anymore, so we had a whole
Oh yeah, it doesn't look like JCPenney's!
It doesn't look like a
Steer Studio, get your school portrait!
Photo studio. We saved all of our favorite cookies from the year 2022. We shellacked them, and they are now shellacked them. And now they are part of our collection.
That's right.
Here we are. We're back. So happy to be with you guys, and we have so many new subscribers. So thank you so much.
Yes, we hit 500.
Yes, we're almost up to 600, and you guys,
That's right.
This is just so much fun, and I just want to say a thank you to all of you, and you know who you are, all of you guys who are out there commenting and liking our videos and our posts and everything, and like having conversations with us and telling us what you want to see next for us to create.
Yeah.
You are what makes my day so special.
That's right, Danny, you are.
What?
Nothing.
Thank you so much, and I cannot wait to continue talking with you and being your best cookie friend here on YouTube. Thank you. So let's get right into this.
Get right into it.
In case you
get things off with a snap.
So, honor of the new Netflix series Wednesday. Oh
yes,
we did it. We made this cookie, and also
we jumped on the bandwagon.
And also, if you didn't see, we made a short where I did the Wednesday dance. And I was super cool, so y'all should go check that out. But look at how great this cookie came out. You know, I was pretty happy with this. And a little trick that I use, because sometimes I struggle with getting like the face right, like the angles. So in this case, I didn't want to mess it up too much. So on Amazon, I got me a projector. Like
wow!
Little pocket projector.
I thought that was the new iPhone.
It's a Casso, I guess that's how you say it.
Casso!
Look at how little it is. And it's cool because you can keep it like this height and the image just projects down like right from your laptop or your phone. So we got lots of tools here, lots of tips and tricks for you all. So I'll link that in the description box below in case you're interested. Let's get right into it.
Yes!
About Wednesday.
No.
I think that Wednesday is fabulous.
Yes.
I thought it was a great series, and I heard they're gonna have
it was great.
a second series coming out, like
second season.
Yes, second season. Like thank you, second season. We all need a second season. Kept you guessing.
She's in it.
Who? Oh, the original
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Christina Ricci herself.
Yeah.
She's in it. She was my young crush. She was like the best Wednesday.
Well, speaking of the best Wednesday, let's go through this with some
Fuzz Facts.
Fuzz Facts. So, number one.
The
Wednesday of the Addams family.
Don't forget the whole family.
And the Wednesday character was created by an American cartoonist named Charles Addams. See what he did there?
That's like when you name a cookie company after yourself.
Yes, except I didn't. It was Charles Addams, and he made the Addams family in a comic strip. And like, here's a picture of what Wednesday Addams looked like in the comic strip. Creepy little girl, right?
And being in black and white, she was as pale as ever.
Fact number
two.
The Addams Family came to TV in 1964, where this girl got her name Wednesday, which is gonna bring us to Fuzz Fact number three. She was named Wednesday after the nursery rhyme. I don't know if everybody knows it.
They referenced it in the new show.
They did. So here we go. Monday's child, fair of face. Tuesday's child is full of grace. Wednesday's child is full of woe. Hence the name Wednesday. Thursday's child has far to go. Friday's child is loving and giving. Saturday's child must work for a living. Ooh, stinks.
This is based on the day of the week you were born?
The child born on Sunday is fair and wise and good. So.
I was stitched.
No, I don't know what day I was born.
There was two different things. There was my manufacture date, and there was the day I hit the shelves.
I don't know what day I was born. Anyone out there know what day I was born? Let me find out. Oh, I was born on a Tuesday.
That's great! A Tuesday! Yes, the whole episode is about Wednesday!
Oh my. Let's just talk about Wednesday in general. And we had in the 90s, the next like rendition of the Addams Family.
The gold standard!
And that's the one I remember and that like I love the most. And that's where she became like sadistic. Like,
yeah, she was great. We love you, Christina Ricci!
So they did Addams Family and Addams Family Values. Both were great. I do like Addams.
And I love Uncle Fester.
I like Addams Family Values when she goes to camp.
Oh yeah.
If you haven't watched
she gets her boyfriend,
you should go watch these because they're just awesome. And here's our last little thing for Wednesday.
Haha, thing!
I did not mean to do that. Here's a hint towards next week's cookies, but the Addams Family actually showed up in a Scooby-Doo episode.
Crossover!
Woo! And that Scooby-Doo episode was called Wednesday is Missing. Where
Whoa!
the Scooby-Doo gang comes
Wednesday
over.
goes missing!
Wednesday's missing. Oh, you know which version I really like of the Addams Family is the cartoon version that came out in what, 2020?
Yes! Oh, that was great!
She's like really cool.
She's really cool.
I really like
She always has such awesome confidence.
She also was shaped like a Q-tip.
That's okay.
Right? I felt like
Yeah, but remember her hair was two little nooses?
Yes!
Yeah, they're like little subtle things.
I like that.
That was a great Addams Family rendition.
I like it.
But I still love Christopher Lloyd as Uncle Fester. Put the light bulb in my mouth!
So Hank and I
Put the
always
light
have
bulb in
this...
my mouth! Is there a light bulb in the studio?
Hold on. Yes, so Hank does love Uncle Fester.
Oh,
I like
the wattage.
I actually liked the Uncle Fester that was in the Netflix series. I liked
he was
him.
great.
He
killed some people.
For some reason, Christopher Lloyd just kind of grosses me out as Uncle Fester.
What?
I don't know.
You watch what you say.
I don't know what it is.
That man is a legend.
He is, and he's awesome. But just, I like this.
Talk about Doc Brown that way.
I like this new Uncle Fester. That is just my humble opinion. All right, guys. That is it for our Wednesday episode. I hope you enjoyed watching how this was made. Super cool. Please be sure to like and subscribe and hit the for notifications and follow us on Instagram and TikTok for lots of other fun content. And we will see you.
We'll see you on the YouTubes.
Next time, Cookie Friends.
Don't swipe through. Watch us.
Bye.
Bye. So wait, are we doing Wednesday? Today? On Thursday?
Is something burning right up there?
No, I'm good.
Let's just talk.
That is not very emo.
Let neighbor adopt.
This is where editing comes in. And do it.
What?
Put my hands above my head. They're too short.
We don't know what we're doing.
We got a new studio. You're wasting the new bulbs.
So
telling poems. What the fuzz is that? What?
Need to hear it. You spell it Wednesday.
You're an embarrassment. We love you.
We love you. We love you. We love you.
Yes.
All right. So
now like and subscribe.